government that. We will the government that. I will not be there. I already say get up for the tal. We will the government. You don't want to call it. You don't want to call it. I will not be there. No, we don't. I want to join. No Biafra, no peace, no peace, no peace. I want that. Who's ever done it? I want that. The government that. I will not be there. I already say get up for the tal. We will the government. You don't want to call it. You don't want to call it. I will not be there. No, we don't. I want to join. No Biafra, no peace, no peace, no peace. I want that. Who's ever done it? I want that. If you end the government and at home, mess are going to go. But dry up. Come on, sir. Nigeria so many tribunal boss. Jabon hapo. Music boss. Madiabo. Aron the panel. The panel. Back as can see. Yami will see all mother. Yami will see. How to grab a fire. Look at what these army people are doing to us. Look at people's house. Look at how they're putting people's house on fire. Look at. Is it good? Look at what is going on in our family. Look at what is going on in our house. Can't you see? What have you done? Look at people's house. Look at. The Yami will see all on mother. The Yami will see. How to grab a fire now. The good Yami all on mother. Look at. People are looking for is where they are. Look at people's house. Look at people's building. Look at people's house. They haven't drive in. They haven't drive in with their armor tanker and the caterpillar. Destroying people's house. Look at it. Look at what these people have done to them. I don't understand. Can't you see? Hey, go inside. Go outside, eh? See it. Look at how people's house are burning. Here, everywhere 01. Here, everywhere Francis. Here, let go see a walk. Let go see a walk. Property in them, let go see a walk. Here, I'm going to want to have I will go off. I'm not going to have a kid. I'm going to die. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm going to see him tomorrow. That's where I'm going to push in now. I'm going to push in now. I'm going to go on. 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 Molo over no laro la pani ya bikuri ya me kwano luguda ya bikuri asa e kwa ka sa nturi mo ti pe mi ba bo kweje me kwara ya be abu kwa mo tan ka pila ba kwa luguda ya abu kwa be over we mi si nyen tu wa be over no ku ki ya me brand bikuri ya ke nganda ya woje na ke nga ya ra o to ka mi ya ra luguda le guru lo laro le guru ya me lo laro.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Yes, I want to start by just to encourage you to like this video, all right, and make sure you do your best to subscribe to this channel if you can. And you know, in the past, PM made a broadcast. I think he made an announcement, not a broadcast, where he said that if you have chance to record any video of the activities of these people in Biafra land or in Igbo land, in any way you find yourself, try your best to record those videos in English language, or at worst, use Pidgin. At least if you, that in your own English is just like my own, use Pidgin. Okay, so that people who are not, you know, international community, people who don't understand Igbo language, will be able to know what the video is about. In case you are watching this, you are going to watch this video as a non-Igbo Biafran or you're non-Igbo speaking person, this is according to the report that Nigerian army, you know, invaded this village, this hometown, this community, and they set the people's house ablaze, properties, this people's residential home in Biafra land for no just reason, just to provoke, okay, Biafrans. Now, We have seen video of what's the name of the man, Musa, which is one of the army chief in Nigeria. I don't know his position, to be honest with you. I don't want to lie. He said that one of the difficult thing they are fight one of the challenges they are facing in Biafra land is that the communities are not willing to work with them. And guess what? Hope Uzodinma said, okay, that is going to be paying people 100,000 youth monthly for them to start, forming vigilante. This hardship is not easy now. So some youth have jumped into that and they are now forming vigilante in the communities. Do you know what that vigilante is? So those vigilante group will now pointing finger on innocent villagers, like anybody that is not, maybe they feel that this person is against them, or like informants. That's the word. They are working as informants for them, and probably they have point finger on none of this house or other people. You understand? And army will not go there to do the work for them. So this is using Igbo to fight Igbo that Obasanjo talked about. The video that I uploaded here on this channel yesterday, you have seen how they're claiming that they're picking where Biafran buried if you had a children. They went there to uproot all those things. Now, who did it for them, or who bring them to those locations? There are Igbos. Somebody said on my comment, said, no, that they speak Igbo does not mean that they're Igbo. My brothers and sisters, we are not going to do propaganda. They are Igbo. Yeah, they may not be Igbo, but DNA will prove will be the one to prove that. Okay, you cannot just say they're not Igbo because they are doing what you don't want or what you don't like. They are Igbos, unless DNA prove otherwise. Now, what they are doing is what we already know in the past. Give some people ego, they will start selling themselves. Only people know how to do that, very, very well. And why it is very common in Igbo land is because there's no institution in Igbo land that checkmate people like that. Nothing. If had it been that Igbos, maybe Igbo Biafrans have a way of punishing anybody who involve himself with that kind of mentality, that the best way to enrich yourself is to work as an informant against your people. That would have been a different case, but it's no longer like that. It's no longer like that. Everybody is now selling each other to get something. Obasanjo made it publicly clear that he used Igbo people to fight Igbos. And that Igbo people don't learn, even though when the person brag about it, they still don't connect the dots. That is why some people say that our people are so noisy, that we are too noisy, we cannot even achieve anything. We always claim that we know when we don't know anything. You don't need to blame them, because looking at what is playing out now, it is true. Okay, and it is very, very shocking. Very, very, very shocking. I'm not gonna say much about it, but you know already what that means. And after they invite PM, remember what the post that PM made, that they're trying their best to remove him, just to get, not because of him, but to have access to you. When PM made that statement, it's not about you by an individual, but you as Igbos or Biafrans, you yourself will be the victim, because they know what they want and they're going after that. Very, very, very sad indeed. Very, very sad. Now, I want to bring to you this so that you know what is playing out. I want to bring this to you. So, I want to read this for you to understand. Tinubu appointed her as the Minister of Foreign Affairs, and she secretly went to the Finnish embassy to lay complaint that, oh, my husband fought this war and Biafran died. That PM Simon Ekpa is inciting another war. That petition him with the petitions of the DOS, IPON Nigerian Criminals PLC, and other Efulefu Biafran PM Ekpa was invited for questioning, and the Chinchi Delilah rushed to took photograph with her. PM is coming back. Abacha also Agwamai. Now, this information is what I was told yesterday. So when these two people now don't represent Biafran women, no, because I know some of you say, oh, that's why Master Prophet is right by saying that the women should mind their way and all that. You don't judge everybody because of one person or two people. These two individuals have not mean anything good. Onye nke anya na ndị Yoruba na-agwa otu kemgbe ka onye nke akwa na I don't want to talk about their personal life, but what you need to understand is that what the write-up said, what this person said here, okay, is actually the fact. Because I have somebody have told me this yesterday, and even our brother Emmanuel Remedios also made a video about it, because it is true. And when you listen to the people in the DOS how they're jubilating, you can connect it. So this is to prove to you that Uchechi is the one that sent her husband Manamorikan where he is. Nobody is gonna tell me anything, because the issue of PM is as clear as day. She is the one that is trying all her best. But like Abasos this Abra said, I want us to understand it, and I don't know if the Biafra government in Exile may pay attention to that. They need to create a way in Biafra government in Exile where Biafrans, Igbo people need to start checkmating Biafrans who choose to, pollute the atmosphere. The pollution is getting too much, because now none of them, DOS, even Uchechi, none of them are talking about the video, like the video I just showed you now, where they're burning people's house. No. If you ask them, they'll say, oh, criminality. All of them, they are celebrating whenever they see our people lying lifeless on the floor. As long as the people that force life out of their body are government institution, they are happy with it. But if you challenge them, they will say, like this lady that is making the use now, Kemi noticed this on time and called her and called Bianca, don't allow people to use it against your people. Did she listen? No. And if she know the history of that history of the war, she should be more. She should bother, about. She should pay more attention, or what should be her major concern is the people, the life that war, life that Biafran lost in the war. Since you want to condemn evil, which is good, at least as wife of the person that lead the war, you should do better. So are you trying to say that your husband made a mistake? Then if that is a mistake, then your family need to also do something to pay for that. But are you going to, but no, you don't want to pay anything. You see, instead you are receiving honorable recognition because of your husband. Then within you are criticizing that thing that made people to pay attention, to give you honor and respect. The same thing I told you also previously, that the one here, this Chakareke here, she is the one also want to emulate what Bianca is doing. She want to be, just get rid of my husband so that I will be like Bianca. People without shame, people without honor. I don't want to say, I have many things to say about these two people, but for the sake of the katakata going on in different government in China, I need to, manage and kind of watch my words so that it's not gonna, scatter other things. I just want to be, civil in that manner. Thank you so much, my people, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said, tell me what you think about this. Biafran government need chief of staff and all the cabinet members need to step up, because PM no, or no matter who is responsible, no matter where the person is coming from, please, it is getting too much. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.